Oh, that's Fish Legs, Snot Loud, the twins, Rough Nut and Tough Nut, and Astrid.
You can't lift a hammer, you can't swing an axe, you can't even throw one of these.
Okay, but fine, but this will throw it for me. Whoa!
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
Yes, that's it. Stop being all of you.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
You sure are playing a dangerous game. Keeping this much raw Vikingness contained, there'll be consequences.
Chances. Swords sharpened now.
Oh, and there's one more thing you need to know. Sorry, Dad. Okay, but I hit a Night Fury. Duh! Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
You're thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up.
Hiccup, are you in there?
Astrid, hi. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid.
I normally don't care what people do, but you're acting weird.
Oh.
Well, weirder.
Duh! Duh! You're right. I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So you got me. It's time for everyone new. Drag me back. Go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that?
That's
Oh.
for the lies. That's for everything else. It's him.
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Toothless! What is wrong with you? Bad dragon. Uh-oh.